This is a super quick tutorial to show you how to do long short stitch in embroidery. It's a very cool stitch for filling an area with colour. Here is a close-up of what satin stitch looks like on these two tulips. As you can see, the red one just needs a few more stitches. So we will fill in this area with long and short stitch. And the tulip here on the right, you can see that the yellow stitch, you can see some short and long stitches there. And these yellow stitches here do have some long satin stitches. The needle comes up at one end of the design, then heads back just like satin stitch to the other end. Actually, the stitches just like satin stitch, but without all the stitches being the same length.
Now, long and short satin stitch is where you kind of blend the stitch sizes together. So I might start off with a long satin stitch, go right down to the end like this, and then I'll do a short one, maybe halfway, and then up to there, and then another short one over here. And you're just kind of blending them together, the long and the short together. And they're not kind of uniform like the ones that I did in the middle are. But they're quite good for tulips because tulips have all these pointy bits. Maybe I can do another one there. There's kind of a gap. Actually, this needle is probably not very good for this calico because this calico being in lockdown, it's all I had to demonstrate with. And it's probably a little bit flimsy. And then I've got this great big needle. But that's okay. So yeah, this is the essence of satin stitch. And long and short stitch. So there's another short stitch. So that's the tulip done, and the long and short satin stitch.
All the tulips in this design are made with satin stitch and long and short stitch. You can see some long satin stitches in here. You also see some long satin stitches interspersed with some shorter stitches. Thank you for watching. If you would like to try some of my PDF files or some of my pre-printed samplers, please go to my website, www.hoj.nz. Happy stitching.